What's up, everybody? This is the 8 to 5 Trader. Today is June 12th, 2018. I'm giving you guys my trades for the day. Today I realized negative 115 bucks after commissions, 189.65 with $69 in commissions. All right, today I traded 3 trades. Didn't do too good, but I'm gonna give you guys some trades. Today I traded at the open. I traded GLMG. GLMG squeezed up pretty significantly, and I was looking for a possible move to the upside and also the downside. So after the first 5 minutes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I went long, looking for a push up after we made it almost a new 1 minute high. We didn't get that move. I took 50 shares, hoping to get a pop up to the upside. Didn't get that, so I stopped out. The price action ended up continually going down. I did end up getting a nice little move to the downside after shorting 100 shares. With a stop loss above the 9 moving average on the 1 minute, went short, looking for the move to the downside. Again, we were already above VWAP pretty significantly, so I was possibly looking at the 20 moving average as a possible closeout point, but I did end up closing here at the 20 on the 5 minute, but the price action did continually go down, and I think I did come back for another short again right here, but it was a very, very, very late entry, so I ended up taking the move off. Because I felt like it was a kind of a late entry. The fact that we closed below VWAP, I thought we would get the move back down to the 50, and we didn't get that move, so I closed it out before possible squeeze. Then I ended up going short again after not seeing the price action lose the 9 moving average on the 1 minute, and I ended up closing that trade again for a loss before the price action squeezed up. So I lost 39.50 on the upside, and I lost, $4.50 after losing all my gains to the downside. Then I came and made a trade on play, Dave & Buster's. Dave & Buster's made a move to the downside. I missed the move here on the 5 minute. Then after watching this candle, these last few candles right here on the 1 minute close, I tried to go short after this and ended up getting a very late entry. Actually, it was a fear of missing out trade. I saw it moving down, so I went short. 200 shares, very impulsive trade. Price action went back up right around here. Then I held it thinking it would come back down just to see. And we did end up getting a move to the downside. Then I covered right here. Price action ended up selling off a good little bit, but again, very late entry compared to what a 9 moving average is. So I sold that for a loss. Then I came back thinking we would get the move back down because we didn't lose the 20, and we got to close below the 9 moving average on the 1 minute, thinking we were going to get the move back to the downside. I think I took 100 shares here. Didn't get the move to the downside. Then I ended up covering for the price action squeeze back up to the upside. So I was looking for the 200 here on the 5 minute. Actually, that's on the 2 minute chart. I was looking for this move, but I guess that does make sense on the 2 minute what actually happened. But on 5 minute, I was looking for the move down to the 52.24 level and possibly even lower, but we didn't get that move, so I stopped out for a loss. I think this is a 200 one on. It's a lot further. Then I came and tried to make a play on MU. MU was strong, I want to say, in the pre-market, but we got the gap down at the market open, sold off really hard. I waited for the move back down below VWAP, but at this time I was already down quite a bit, so my mindset was already screwed up. So got the close below VWAP, went short 200 shares with a stop loss above the 9 moving average. My entry was 60.89. Was looking for a move to the downside, but after we got this pop right here, I would say I was only going to give it around 10 cents, which is pretty narrow, which I did I think I gave it 9 cents actually, 60.89, 60.98. I closed my position out, price action sold off, so I missed the move, and I ended up covering for $18 loss on that, so I cut it too short. So those are my trades for the day. Terrible day, but we'll come back tomorrow, hopefully better. Should be opening around a little above 3,100, but that's enough for me to still make my trades. So that is it for today. See y'all tomorrow.